Good habits help provide a better wearing experience. Wear the watch on the outside of your wrist, just above the wrist bone. Adjust band to be snug yet comfortable. It should move slightly on your wrist, with no light passing through from the side. This helps maintain both accuracy and comfort. After wearing the watch for a long time, remove it to let your skin breathe or switch wrists. Before starting an activity, tighten the strap by one notch for a more secure fit. This helps prevent movement that may affect sensor accuracy during vigorous activity. Remove the watch after exercising or sweating. If the band is removable, we recommend cleaning the body and band separately. If the band is not easily removable, note that different materials may require different cleaning methods. Rinse silicone bands with clean water. To remove residue from lotions, sunscreen, or insect repellent, use a 70% alcohol wipe with a lint-free cloth. Then rinse thoroughly with fresh water. For nylon straps, rinse in cold water and use mild soap to remove stubborn dirt. Then rinse thoroughly with clean water. For leather or metal bands, use a soft, clean, lint-free cloth to gently wipe them. If needed, lightly dampen the cloth to lift grime. Avoid using harsh chemicals or solvents, as they may damage the band or surface finish. To sanitize your watch, gently wipe the body or silicone and metal bands with a 70% alcohol wipe. After disinfecting, rinse the watch again to remove any chemical residue. If the charging contacts are dirty, use a soft bristled toothbrush to clean them. Avoid brushing cavities or holes on the watch, especially on devices with speaker or microphone openings. Do not use bleach on the watch or band, and do not submerge them in any cleaning agents. After cleaning, allow the watch to dry completely before wearing it again. It's okay to shower while wearing the watch, but we recommend avoiding high temperatures and steam to minimize damage to materials and components. Finally, charge the watch before the battery is very low to help prolong the lithium battery's lifespan. For more information on wearing, cleaning, and care, please refer to the links in the video description.